morning everybody, Calm Biker here. The place I'm going to says that it's the biggest and the highest sculpture in Yorkshire. I'm not quite convinced it is a sculpture, it's been more built than sculpted. But it's a place called the Coldstones Cut. And it was built on the side of a quarry, for once with the support of the locals. Quite often with these things you find people are against them, but I guess it's not much of an eyesore, and the quarry, if you could see it, kind of would be an eyesore. But actually it's very hard to see the quarry because it's up on quite a high hill. The Coldstones Cut is quite a weird little thing, built by an artist a few years ago, and you can walk through it. You have to walk about half a kilometre, 500 metres, to get to it from the car park, up a hill. So I thought I'd get a little bit of description in first, because I'll be panting by the time I'm at the top. But then you can actually walk through it. It's got some little walls and a little road almost through it. It's not a road though, you can't have vehicles on it. And some little spirally bits that you can go up and then have a look at the quarry and have a look out over Nidderdale. There it is. Not if you'll be able to make it out, but at the top of the hill, it's like a wall going up and a thing at the end of it, next to the big bicycle, which you definitely won't be able to make out. That's the Coldstones Cut, and behind that hill is the quarry. And this bit here is an old lime kiln. We'll have a look at that as well, while we're here. Well, I've just had a little detour to the place that you can see behind me. That'll be my next video. And now it's time to head on up the hill. We've got some pagan sheep here. Perhaps druid sheep. Either way, worshipping at the altar in the stone circle. That's where I'm heading. It's not as big a walk as going to see the crashed aeroplane. But then it's not as good as the crashed aeroplane, so don't get your hopes up. But it's still quite a climb. You start about halfway up. The whole thing's about 1,300 feet above sea level, but the car park's not at sea level. But this is quite a steep climb. As we're getting near the top, you get a set of steps. How nice is that? That's one huge bicycle. Those are actually tractor tyres. No pedals. And this is the Coldstones Cut. So, sculpture maybe. Certainly interesting to look at. But does it count as a sculpture when it's built? Or is it just an artwork? But an artwork you can walk through. If you've still got the energy after walking up that hill. This is the worst mini roundabout ever, or the biggest speed bump. take one of the side roads. Both of the side roads lean to pretty much the same thing, just one either side. If this view from above, as some people suggest, looks like a man part, then we are climbing the factory, as it were. I wonder if one side's slightly bigger than the other. Sorry, childish. Right, off back down the tube, back to the mini roundabout of doom.